Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with a very exciting video which is trending right now and it's requested from Israt Feroz. And this is actually the glass skin makeup tutorial which is very luminous, by the way. You can obviously see it from my face. So this is actually coming from Korean skincare. Like Koreans, they use different 10 type of products as their daily routine and they achieve this glow within, like the luminous glow within. And I really appreciate their effort and time because they put a lot of effort in their skincare and they get this glow, and we are converting this into a makeup form. So yes, this is the look. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this Korean glass skin luminous makeup, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much Israt for this request because it's kind of a very amazing video and I absolutely enjoy creating. I hope you guys will definitely enjoy, and if you are not having the same products I have used, you can use anything as you want, but make sure everything has a dewy finish. So yes, without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So guys, firstly I'm going to use this Flavia Fresh Aroma Queen face wash. This is the aloe vera face wash. This really keeps my skin clear and hydrated. So next I'm going to scrub my face with this Kashmiri walnut scrub from Organics Mantra, and I'll go with very less amount and I'll make sure that I'm not rubbing it vigorously. I'm going to massage this lightly in my skin. For Korean glass skin effect, you need to go through 10 types of different skincare products, but just because we are just doing a makeup right here and it's an instant fix, you have to make sure that your skin is looking nice, plump and hydrated, and for that we are going with this scrub. And now I'll go with this sheet mask from Nykaa. This is the Rice Plus Chamomile for nourished plus radiant skin. And I'll let this sheet mask sit in my skin for some time. So guys, after the skin prep, now I'll move on to my sunscreen directly, and this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock in SPF 50. I am not using any moisturizer currently because I am getting breakouts due to using any kind of moisturizers. So nowadays I'm living in gel based or essence. So skipping the moisturizer, let's go with the sunscreen. So first thing first, I'll be going with this MAC Prep and Prime Fixing Primer, and I'm going to spritz this all over my face. And for my foundation, I'm going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation which has a nice dewy finish. So I'll be going with this. And you don't need a lot of foundation because you're not going for a full coverage over here. You just need to hide your imperfections and blemishes. And now I'm going with my Fit Me Concealer, and I'll be going with my finger on the areas I need to cover up little blemish. And even I'll be going with this concealer on the under eye area. And as you have seen, I have gone with a very less amount because I need to make sure that my skin is looking nice and natural. So now before the concealer settles into my fine lines, I need to set them with a powder, and for that I'm going with Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and I'm just setting the areas I have applied the concealer. Now I'll be going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, and I'm going to slightly contour my face because I feel that if I am not contouring my face doesn't look that nicely sculpted out. So this is my personal preference. If you want, you can just skip this, or even if you want to apply this, you can just see here how I'm doing. And I'm going with the tiniest amount possible because you really don't want to mess this up. So we are done with the contouring. Now I'm moving on to the blush, and this is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette. This is all about cream, and these are all cream blush as you can see. And with a smile, you just need to put this on your cheeks and blend it again. And now to finish off my face, I'll be going with a powder highlighter. I'm not supposed to use a powder highlighter, but this is having a very creamy formula, and this is definitely not going to take away that luminous look, so that's why I'm using this. If you have a liquid highlighter, you can surely go ahead, and this is what I have, so I'm using it. Do you see that? You got that luminous glow even with a powder highlighter, but it has to be buttery soft. So with that, the face is done. And now I'm going to fill in my brows, and for that I'm going with this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit, and I'm going to just fill in the sparse area for that natural look. You don't really need to go with a full-on glammed eyebrow for this look. And for my eyes today, I'm going only with the mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm going to coat my up and even the bottom lashes. And now for my lips, I'm going with the Soft Matte Lip Cream from NYX. This is in the shade Cannes. So guys, that's it for this Luminous Glass Skin makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. And thank you so much, Isrit, for this video request. If you enjoyed, please let me know in the comment section below, and if you recreate this, don't forget to tag me or DM me on Instagram. I'll definitely love to have a look. And yes, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please let me know, and yeah, we'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.